What's up, everybody? This is Justin coming live from GPE. Today we're going to talk about this, the turbo. You can see it's removed. This is my CXRacing 6063. It's been a really good turbo. Just had some exhaust leaks and I wanted to get those taken care of, so I pulled the turbo, as you can see. And also wanted to make sure I got the oil line. As you can see, I have AN fittings. Wanted to make sure I got this on really well. So the turbo is looking good. Don't mind the slag here. What I did is I decided to go ahead and weld the turbo up to the manifold because I was getting leaks here. It has to do with just the quality of this manifold. And as you can see here, what I did is I took the manifold off the turbo, and then I went and took it to my my band sander, sanded this flat so I can get a nice mating surface. I'm gonna go ahead and put some copper spray on this. I also repainted the wastegate here. Wastegate turned out well. Then sealed this up here with some red RTV as well as a gasket. So about ready to put the turbo on. But just for those that thought this turbo wouldn't last, you've seen all the videos. Oh, by the way, there's the information right there, T4E 6063. See the inside here, nice close. So for all those that thought that this turbo isn't gonna last, you've seen all the launch control videos I've done. Rev competition. All the 2 steps, no lift to shift. Etc. Turbo still holding up, has about, I don't know, like 10 to 15,000 miles on it at this point. Let me go ahead and check it for shaft play. Still spins nice and freely. No up and down shaft play, no in and out shaft play. Still spins like brand new. So shout out to CXRacing. Everything's good on this thing. So what I did is I ordered some new gaskets. And again, this has the V-band exit. What I did is I welded up the exit so that I make sure I don't get any leaks here. They'll be all good. And then let me show you here. Shout out to CXRacing for getting these to me pretty quick. These are the 7-bolt gaskets for the cylinder head to the exhaust manifold. And here you can see my wrapped downpipe. This is a custom downpipe with V-band exit. Works really well. Then you can see my Bosch 4.9 wideband there. Then over here I have my recirculation tube for the external wastegate. So that's good. Let me show you here. Here I've already coated with the copper spray. I'm gonna clean it up before I put it on, clean up the water pipe there. I went ahead and I changed out the hose from hell. It is a hose from hell, if hell was hot. Yeah, it was a royal pain in the butt. And I did it with the turbo being off. Sorry for all the noise in the background, kids playing. Did it with the turbo being off and it was still a pain. Hate doing this. I also ordered the hose from hell on earth, but I only have 100,000 miles on this. Honestly, I'm gonna change it later. I just don't feel like getting into it right now. So it is what it is. If I have a problem, I know where to do. I already have the piece, not that big of a deal, but hurt my back so much just dealing with the hose from hell that I'm not even gonna get involved doing the hose from hell on earth right now. I didn't have a leak before doing this. I was just doing it purely off of the mileage. And everybody else saying to do it while you're in there. So, yep, it's the engine bay right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some copper spray down on the exhaust manifold, take care of the gasket, and I'm gonna get this bolted back together. So you guys stay tuned. All right, now I have a nice even coat of copper gasket on there. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the manifold gasket on both sides and install this bad boy. Oh yeah, and I also had some broken studs, so I went ahead and replaced those. Well, some of them. You can see I still have one short one here, but it was being stubborn. I just don't feel like dealing with it. So it is what it is. You learn to pick your battles, I guess. So, yep, I'm gonna clear this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get everything together. All right, so as you can see, I got all that together. It's a couple days later. It all buttoned back up. Got a little bit of burn off right now. I did the grease the engine. So, gotta let things warm up, cool off, etc., etc. And go from there. But seems okay. Time will tell. Give it a rev. It's still warming up though. Sounds good. I don't hear any clacking noise. So might have this cured. Like I said though, time will tell. But thanks for watching. Been executing a little bit of maintenance on the MR2. Trying to get the exhaust note right. Try to get rid of all these exhaust leaks. So we shall see. Stay tuned. Soon I'll be doing an on-road video. And we'll see what it sounds like now. Alright. Until next time, this is Justin signing off from TCE. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
You bad and you know it, don't you? She always say, boy, you know I don't want you, won't you? You bad and you know it, don't you?